Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Meguiar's D10801 Super Degreaser 1 gallon. Meguiar's D110542 Chemical Resistant Sprayer. Meguiar's D20108 Super Degreaser Bottle. Everything you need to keep your solutions organized. See more product details. Tails, 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 tails. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. This degreaser removes heavy brake dust and grease and works as a bug and tar remover. Formulated for aircraft. Perfect for your car. Unsurpassed performance. Aggressive enough to clean contaminated surfaces while being gentle on sensitive treated surfaces. For best results, watch Aerotech videos. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Fast and effective. Engine degreaser for all car engines, machine tools, parts and more. Powerful formula. The perfect degreaser for removing the toughest oil, grease, mud, dirt and grime off all of your vehicle engines. Safely removes dirt and grime. Remove grime on vertical surfaces and other stubborn or hard to reach areas. Restores your engine. Restore OEM factory shine and look on engines, tools and parts. Professional degreaser. Ideal for handling the toughest jobs that other degreasers can't handle. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Professional strength. Signature Series Orange Degreaser is a professional strength citrus degreaser designed to safely remove the toughest dirt, grime, and grease that comes concentrated for flexible cleaning power. Versatile in any situation, Orange Degreaser is blended with powerful citrus extracts and hyper surfactants to easily cut through and separate grease and oil from any surface. Super concentrated, Orange Degreaser ships at full strength, without added water to dilute the product. Users are free to tailor their own cleaning solution to take on whatever messes they are dealing with. Remove years of grime. The specialty formula easily cleans motor oil, coolant, hydraulic fluid, or diesel fuel from engines. Remove caked on mud, grease, and road grime from wheels, suspension components, and undercarriage parts. The uses are endless. The go-to brand in car care. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys, not only for the finest car care products, But the world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge Chemical Guys is more than a brand, it's a lifestyle with a worldwide following. See more product details.